people. Spend 80% of your time with the top 20% of your organization. Alam niyo, ito yung sakit ko dati, maging open ako sa inyo para at least alam niyo na kung ano yung dapat natin gawin. Before, I tend to focus my time on people na medyo tinatamad. Sabi ko, ba't pa ako magfo-focus ng attention sa masisipag? Masipag na nga yun eh. Dito na ako magfo-focus sa mga tamad. Mali pala. You should focus pala your attention sa top 20% of your organization. Because they will be the one to build your fortune in this business. Yung mga tinatamad, bigyan mo ng chance yung mga yan. Siguro 2-3 times. Pag tamad pa rin, iwanan mo na. Mag-focus ka sa mga taong excited. Because those are the people who will give you success in this business. Maliwanag yung mga kapatid. Keep them informed of what is happening in the business. Do ICMOC. Later on, I'll explain that to you. Next, exposure people to other successful people in your organization.